Adding watermarks to PDF is a good way to protect your document from being copied and enhance the security of your PDF files. So, how to do it? Go ahead. I will show you the best way to add watermarks to your PDF files in just a few clicks. Navigate to EasePDF.com and choose the Add Watermark on the top toolbar dot. Upload a PDF file from a cloud storage service, or drag and drop the one you need from your computer to upload. You can choose to insert text or image as your watermark. If you want to add a text, here you need to click the A icon and enter the text, then you are able to adjust the font, size, color, position as you need. You can also select which pages your watermark will appear on. If you select image, it will be easier as you only need to select which image that you want to add and where you want to place it. Finally, click Save PDF. To access your document, just click the button here to download it to your computer. That's all. Now register EasePDF for free to get the best PDF converter. Make PDF easy and make your life easy. EasePDF.